sis, it's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. We're not going to talk about my nails. Story time coming soon. But I just want to say, if you are still one of those people who judge people, oh my lips, who judge people for shopping at the thrift store, it really sucks to be you, because you're missing out. Buy me a whole new fall wardrobe at the thrift store. The best haul ever. College girl edition. So this is my new wardrobe for the fall and winter season. So when I do go thrifting, I like to buy like outfits as a whole. So I usually go looking for like oversized hoodies or whatnot, but I always try to get like a matching pair of bottoms. So this is the first hoodie we got, college girl edition. I always like to look, I'm stealing my boyfriend's clothes, when in actuality I'm single. So that's the look that this is. College girls, what's up, sissy? I really like this. This top was $2 and the bottoms was $1.50. Quick girl tip, quick thrifting tip, if you are going to go, if you are going to go thrifting to Unique or Savers, yeah, Savers, on Monday everything is 50% off. So if you thought I couldn't get any cheaper, I go on Mondays because everything's 50% off. But my bank account's looking pretty nice, so whatevs. Let me show you. Yep, we love this kind of look for us, don't we? So the next outfit I got, I've been wearing this jacket by itself and I don't really like it with the pants, but the jacket is juicy and so is the pants. So I'm thinking I might wear it together. I'm not sure just yet. And I just recently started getting into thrifting, maybe like 2 or 3 years ago. I'm like, now I'm obsessed. I cannot stop. Like, I need a thrifting buddy to go with me every Monday because it's just that great of a time. Let me see. I'm trying to get the whole fit, sis. Are you seeing the ongoing trend already? Do you get it? So this is the next fit. Like I say, I don't like to buy tops without the bottoms, because if I buy tops without the bottoms, I'm never gonna wear the top because I don't have a bottom. So this is what I got. And this was like $3 and the bottoms was like 50 cents. I don't know, like super cheap. And I used to go to the thrift store Unique, but they shut all of them down around me. Don't like Goodwill. I only go to Savers now because it's kind of bougie in there. Not really, but compared to Unique, Savers is really bougie because Unique was ghetto. I had a problem with it, but it was just like so this is one of the like few things that I got that don't have matching bottoms, but I got a ton of like spare leggings around, so that's fine. I hung them up with these like biker shorts, but this is like a winter haul, so I'm not gonna be wearing them. I don't know why I even did that to myself, but this jacket is a juicy jacket. Don't mind the boxers, but yeah, it's real cute, real cute, real cute. And this jacket I think was maybe $4, something like that. Next I got this really cute hoodie, and she's so bright. She's real cute. I did not notice though, I don't know what side it's on, but it's somebody's name on the hoodie. You see it? Is it Sarah? Hey Sarah, is that, I don't know, I don't remember the name on the back of it, but I just know there is a name on the back, which I don't care. I'ma just be Sarah for today. And then I got these leggings. They're really comfortable. You can do squats, the whole 9. I mean, fall where you at. Sorry if you tired of seeing the hoodies. I'm sorry. So we got this. I don't know how to say whatever college this is. I wanted to say Augusta. I'm not even gonna try it because you're gonna think I'm an idiot. But we got this. And then with these like knitted leggings, from a distance they look like long johns, but they're like not. So don't try it. Although I have worn long johns as leggings, and like I didn't notice that they were long johns until like I like the fourth time of me wearing them. I'm like, bro, these are fucking long johns. Don't get dummy. Now all of my hoodies that I have, none of them were more than $5. I'm gonna put you on. I'm dropping gems, sis. I'm dropping them. I mean, get with the program. I feel like I'm like a different breed. I don't care about letting people know I shop cheap, because everything I have, it isn't cheap, but like, of course I'm not gonna miss a deal when it's like handed to me, you know what I'm saying? I'm not scared to tell people where I get stuff from, that I shop at the thrift store, because I could be a millionaire and I'm gonna be doing the same thing. On to the next fit. Next, probably look ugly. Is this ugly now I'm thinking about it? I don't care, I'm still gonna wear it. So next I got these new leggings, well not new, but like beige, and then this beige tank top, and then this like jacket. This reminds me kind of I feel like these jackets was real popular. I think that was last year because of Emma Chamberlain. She had them like jackets jumping off or whatever, so that's what this reminded me of. My mom hates it, but it's fine. I could literally wear it one time and get my money's worth, even if I don't wear it. Like, it was like $4. I don't care. So yeah, this is the whole outfit. I'm thinking I want to make it like scrunched or something, so it sits like here, but I'm not sure. Cute little outfit. I think she'll be cute with some Uggs and a cute little skull cap, you know, a cute little knitted. And that's it. So next we got this jacket. It's like a Florida jacket. This is so cute. The sleeves are short, but do you think I care? Nah sis, because this is what I do. I just roll it up like such and we're good. And we're good. And then I just got these like legging kind of things. I love gray bottoms, especially gray stretchy joints, fitted bottoms. It just make your butt look good. It make you look nice and tight and bright. So now we got this Stranger Things top. And who got a problem? We got this Stranger Things top. I get all of my crew necks, if you didn't know, and hoodies, but the majority of my hoodies out of the men's section. That's another pro tip. No, I'm just like, I feel like everybody knows that if you are going to get hoodies, baby girl, go to the men's section. Yeah, and then I got these like joggers. They like ripped up. They're really cute. They like a wee bit too small. Like, I wish they stretched just a little bit more, but they were like $2.50, $3 at the most, so can't complain. So I got this pink like pullover, 3/3 zipper, 3/4, whatever they call it, jacket. I didn't get no matching bottoms to go with this, but I got, like I said, like a million leggings, so that's not a problem. I'm actually going to pair this with these sparkly joints. So like I said, I mean, this isn't like really club attire, so it don't really matter what bottoms I wear with this, but best believe if you're like inviting me out like to lunch or like to brunch or like to breakfast, all of this stuff is gonna get worn, so you better get used to seeing me in hoodies, sis. I really do like to look for pink attire. My nails look crazy. Pink attire and also juicy attire at the thrift store, because that's just what I'm into at the moment, besides oversized men's stuff, you know, like travel attire, like airport vibes, this whole like haul, because I would like wear all of this to the airport and be cute with some shades, a nice little wig on. So next we got this oversized White Sox hoodie. What's new? I didn't get bottoms to match with this, but I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 15 pair of black Adidas joggers. So I am going to pair this outfit with that. I'm not gonna wear this hat with it because it's blue, but like I also got this hat too, and it was $2, and I just think it looks so cute on me. I actually could kind of wear this with this. college girl vibes. And yeah, love this. And I'm gonna pair them with a pair of my black Adidas joggers. I actually have some gray ones, so maybe I'm gonna do the gray ones instead. I just gotta find them. I'm out of breath because I'm hot as hell, and yeah. So $2, $3, and these were free because I already had them. It's literally a hot ass mess, so I keep like, you can only imagine. She ain't even sewn down, sis. She look crazy. Okay, so when you see me come on without no bottoms on and these dusty ass shorts, that mean I didn't buy bottoms to go with her. But I could literally wear some black leggings with this. I really like this jacket though. I try to stick to like college. I got her pulled down too far. I try to stick to like college or like team, like NBA, NFL, like team attire, just because I think that's cute. And I'm not finna be walking around with something that say Little Caesars on it, so that's what I try to stick to. And yeah, this is cute, and this fits real like feminine, so I would almost like kind of wear this with shorts. I mean, what? Shorts? No, jeans is what I meant to say. Oh child, I'm hot. And I got a few hats, so I'm just gonna throw a hat on just so you can see the hat too. She doesn't match, but I'm just gonna show her off. Okay, this is the hat. I think she's so cute. I had her on when I went to Cooper's Hawk the other day, and some dude was like, "Go Gators," and I'm like looking like, what? And girl, didn't put two and two together. I had on the Gators hat the whole time. I need to get it too, because obviously I'm slack. She was like $1.50, and we still got a lot more left. I hope this video is not too long because. Okay, so next I got this sweater. It did not come like this. This is like a 2X men's knitted thing, and I cut the shoulders, but when I originally cut it too much, so it was like falling off, so I had to sew it up the sides, and that was really pointless. I didn't have to tell you that, but I just wanted to let you know that, okay? But yeah, I did not buy any bottoms to go with this one because I want to pair it with some jeans. I got some cute jeans already, and I don't have the time nor do I have the patience to go through thrift store jeans. So cute. And like boutiques be selling these for like what, $40? What? And I got it for $3. Stop letting them finesse you, sis. Or if you're looking for, I hope my wig is laid because you can definitely see my the side of my head. But if you're looking for hoodies or sweaters, sweetheart, don't even play yourself. Go to the thrift store. Then if you can't find anything, okay, cool, but at least you tried. Anywho, let me go to the next item. The outfit changes was this because I lost track. I don't remember how many hoodies this is later. I don't know. But yeah, this is another hoodie. She was $2.50. She is a Thunderbird shirt from 96 to 95. I mean 97. No, what? 96 to 97. And yeah, if you're not from Chicago or the south suburbs of Chicago, this is this Thornton? High School Thornton? I don't know. It's one of these high schools. What am I talking about? But yeah, let me show you this hat too. She doesn't match, like I said, but I just want to throw it in there that I got a hat. I got one more after this, so hopefully I can fit this because I never tried it on. And some hats fit cuter than others. Wow, these fake ass teeth in my mouth like give me a very hard time at talking. Some hats are cuter than others. This one's actually kind of cute. And let me pull my hair out. Again, she doesn't go with this. I mean, although I could kind of like rock it, but I'm not. But yeah, she's cute. So the next couple items, the next couple pieces I got today. So I was kind of in a rush, one. So none of these have like, what do you call it? Bottoms to go with them yet. I think y'all get the point that like these are hoodies. So I'm kind of gonna just like breeze through these next couple items just because I don't want to have you here all day, you know. Now let me pause on this item. I don't know what sorority or fraternity this is from, and I don't know, I just really like the rainbow. It gives me like gay pride vibes, although I'll fully support anybody that is, and that's just that on that. And I have one last hat. Ooh, child, I can barely fit it. Maybe I should loosen it up in the back. This is cute. Not with this, but this is cute. And this was $2. And this hoodie was, well, crew neck was $3. I gotta go get the other stuff at the washer. The other stuff isn't done drying, so I'm just going to end the video here. I'm gonna just include that in my next thrift try on haul, because I'm a thrift junkie. I do this, little nigga. I do this shit for real. Part of my language, because I know my family does watch my videos. Sorry, mother. Sorry, sissy. Sorry, granny. If you do want me, this is a weird angle, I'm sorry. If you do want me to continue to doing these, I would be glad to, because I do love thrifting. I love being cheap. I love saving money, but I still love being cute. So I do have a couple good thrift stores around me that I want to try. They're like new-ish. So if you want me to do like a thrifting vlog and or try on haul, I got you. I'm out of breath and I'm ready to like lay down and edit this video. So thank you so much for watching. Crazy. And I'll see you in my next one.